You are all welcome to this class. This is going to be the first video. In this video, we are going to be going through all the tools in the app. So the first is this plus button. If you click the plus button, that is, you want to add something. So there you see text if you want to add text, current date if you want to insert the current date, sticker if you want to add sticker, shapes. You're going to be using these shapes a lot if you want to add shapes. From gallery if you want to add picture from gallery, then draw if you want to draw something, maybe you want to sketch. Then this save button, if you click it, you'll be able to save as project. If you save as project, you're going to save it raw, the raw file that you can edit later, or you can send to another phone and edit. Save as image is going to save as image as the final product that you can share, you can broadcast and so on. Then this share button, in case you want to share the file to maybe social media or anywhere, as you can see here. So that's that about that. Then the next one is this quote. If you want to add quote, so there are some quotes that you can use that are already in the app. So and here these three dots for option. So as you can see, use image from gallery. You can pick image from gallery here. Full screen if you want to edit in full screen, and the likes. So everything here. Use image from camera if you want to snap and edit. Export image if you want to export the image you are editing. Image size if you want to change the image size. Contact us, report bug to contact the app creator. Tutorials if you want more tutorial. Remove ads if you want to upgrade the app. Recover autosave, maybe you are editing something, then you mistakenly close the app, then you want to recover the previous edit. You can recover it through this recover autosave. Open PLP file, maybe you are editing something before and you saved it as project, then you can open it from here. About the app, exit if you want to quit. Now let's go to the down part. As you can see, here is the this is the canvas or the working sheet that you're going to be editing on. You can also change this, the size and the background and the likes. We are still going to talk about that. Then as you can see here, my projects, if you have projects that you have saved previously, as you can see here are the projects I have worked on. So here, so I can continue my project. I can pick anyone and continue editing. Then default, these are backgrounds, these are default backgrounds, so you can pick anyone. These are the background that comes with the app. Here you can see here, you can choose the next one, so you can pick anyone you like. And if you want to work from scratch, you can always pick this last one, so it will show a plain white and you can edit on it. Yeah, that's the first tab here, this first tab at the bottom. The second one is a. Yeah, you will be able, this a, if you click on this a, you'll be able to work with text. As you can see a, so then you see text to add new text, quote to add new quote. Yes, so the next one is the one at the middle. Yes, the one at the middle. Oh, as you can see, this is an ad. If you don't want to be seeing ad, you have to upgrade the app, or you don't necessarily need to upgrade the app. Yes, because if you are not on your data, it's because I have my data on. That's the reason why the ad is showing. So if you want to edit, you can off your data, you won't see any ad. Okay, let's continue. The third one, which is the one at the middle. After clicking on this, we'll be able to add sticker, import image. You're able to import image, you're able to draw. I clicked on import image, then I'll be shown to pick from my gallery. So let me just back it. So if you want to draw, as you can see, when we clicked the plus and the three dots, most of the options we are seeing down here, you have already seen them up there. So they are also here too. So this shape, you have already, so bezier if you want to edit, maybe you want to draw a logo or you want to edit a shape, so this bezier, and this arrow if you want to insert arrow. So that's that about the middle tab. Then the next one, which is the shape tool. Maybe you want to give You want to insert a shape, or you want to edit the shape or image. You want to give it a color, transparency, size. You want to resize the image or shape. You want to crop image from gallery. You want to select image. You want to select image from camera and the likes. Then the last one is for editing the background. This background that we are working on, this as this case, we are working on the white plain background. If you want to edit it, like now, if I should click rotate, it's going to rotate. If I should click rotate, it will rotate, but due to it is plain white, you are unable to see the rotation. Now vignette, this vignette, if you should click it, if you should enable it, you can see the effect. You can change the color. If you want to save it, click mark, but if you want to save it, just cancel it down here. Then the noise, to add noise, if you should enable it, you can see the noise. You can adjust. So that's for the background. And the rest, you can just play around with the rest too, to check the what is it called, how it works. Yes, you can change the background, change the stripes, enable. You can see the darkness, the size of the stripes, and so on. Just play around with everything. So that's that about the tools. Then another thing, up here you can see the undo. Maybe you done something and you want to undo it. You just click this undo here at the top, undo. And this zoom, maybe you want to do something and the thing is very tiny. For example, let me add a shape. Let me add a shape. Let me add a shape. Okay, plus shapes. Then I should now click mark. Now I already have a shape here now. Okay, let me give it a color. It is loading finally. So let me give it a color. Yes, to work on shape. Make sure you're already on this shape tab here. Then just click on color. Then change the color. Oh, yeah. Shape and the middle one, yes, the middle tab rather. Then scroll to color. Yes, color. Then enable. Change the color. So let me click done. Now assuming I want to undo it, I'll just click this undo, as you can see like that. And then I want to give it another color again. Enable, black, blue. As you can see, that's the work of the undo. Then the zoom, maybe I want to work on this thing, on this shape, but it is not comfortable, so I want to zoom. Just click on this zoom. Then you pinch in and out, pinch in and out. Then once you are there, you can drag it up, down to the point you want to edit. Then continue editing by clicking the plus again. Yes, so you can now edit. You can edit. If you want to return it to the original zoom level, just click on the plus again and click this percent to return it to the default, or just pinch in and out, or click this percent to return to default. So that's that about. Then if you want support of grid, maybe you want the grid to, okay, in order to exit the zoom mode, click on this plus zoom. Then you can edit again. Now this what is it called, grid, is for helping you. Maybe you want to see the way you are arranging your stuffs in the design. So the grid will help you a lot, most especially when you already have a lot of elements on your design. You have a lot of text, a lot of shapes, a lot of design, a lot of clip art. Then you want to arrange them, you want to align them. So this grid is helpful. Then you can enable the objects to snap to the grid by clicking this magnet here. Then that is when you are when you want to position something, as you can see, it will just magnet to the grid. You can see. So the magnet, that's the work of. If I should remove the magnet and be the one to position it myself, so it will snap if I want the magnet. Then this grid setting here, the grid setting, you're able to add more grids. You 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 can see you add more grids to work with, so that you're able to edit and align well. So that's that about the grid. Then this layer, if you want to see all the layer we have been working on, assuming I have a lot of shapes and text, everything will be shown here. And if I want to hide a particular element, I'll just click like this. Then assuming maybe I want to group, maybe I have drawn a logo. And then I want to group the logo together. Maybe it comprises of text, shape, and the likes, and I want to group them together. I'll just click on this mark here down. Oh, sorry, this mark down here. I'll click on the mark, and then I mark all. Although I only have one element here, assuming I have a lot, I'll just mark everything. Then I'll click this group here to group them. Then they will group together. So that's that about the tools on PixelLab.